Shrimati Lekmana Chandra Victoria Gauri ma'am is an Indian lawyer and judge. She began her legal career working with several advocates in Karur and later founded V Victoria Legal Associates in 1988. At Nagarcoil, she practiced in the Madras High Court and Madurai bench handling civil, criminal and writ matters. She served as a service provider under the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act. She also was panel lawyer for State Bank of India, UCO Bank and LIC Housing Finance. From 2015 to 2022, she served as a central government senior panel counsel before the Madurai bench of Madras High Court. Later, she served as the special public prosecutor for CBI and as a deputy solicitor general of India, becoming the first woman to hold this post at the Madras High Court before being elevated as an additional judge of the Madras High Court. She represented India in the International Visitor Leadership Program in USA in 2014. It is a great honor and privilege for having such distinguished jurists amongst us. I request our Honorable Director, Dr. Karuna Malviya ma'am, to present the felicitation to Judge of Madras High Court, Honorable National Programs Director at International Justice Mission. Prior to joining IGM in August 2009, Melissa ma'am spent nearly a decade in the corporate sector, holding various sales and marketing roles, driven by a desire to live a more purpose-driven life and bring transformation to the lives of vulnerable women and children. She transitioned to the development sector in 2001 and worked with the Child Rights and Youth, that is CRY, as a fundraiser and event manager. Over the last 16 years with IGM, Melissa ma'am has led her team in facilitating the rescue, counseling, rehabilitation and restoration of over 400 survivors. Her team has also secured 114 convictions in sex trafficking cases, contributing significantly to the state's conviction rate. Since 2022, in her role as a National Program Director, Melissa ma'am has been leading multiple state teams to identify and rescue survivors of bonded labor and to address the crime effectively in partnership with the justice system. It is our honor and privilege to felicitate Miss Melissa ma'am with the Honoring Women Award of D.Y. Patil School of Law 2025. I request our esteemed Director Karuna Malviya ma'am to kindly present the award to Miss Melissa. Further, we have the privilege of extending the Honoring Women Award 2025 to Advocate Audrey DeMello ma'am, Director of Majlis NGO. She is a distinguished women and child right lawyer with over 18 years of experience. She holds a law degree from Mumbai University and a post-graduation degree in management from NMIMS. She brings extensive expertise in training police officers, prosecutors and judges on laws related to violence against women and children. It is our great honor and privilege to felicitate Advocate Audrey DeMello ma'am. I respectfully request our esteemed Director Karuna ma'am to felicitate. Our next recipient is Vidushi Om ma'am global advisor on spiritual intelligence, human transformation, and collective harmony. Miss Vidushi Om Ma'am is a global acclaimed consultant who works with leaders, families, offices of government and institutions, guiding them through complexity, transformation, and personal growth. With a profound understanding of consciousness, energy, and human behavior, she helps individuals and organizations maintain clarity, balance, and dignity in high pressure situations. Her work goes beyond traditional consulting, focusing on stabilizing emotional landscapes, strengthening relationships, and realigning systems where leadership decisions intersect with identity, power, and vulnerability. She is often sought during critical negotiations, leadership translations, and institutional conflicts where emotional clarity and trust are essential. Rooted in ancient Indian spiritual traditions and informed by the modern psychological and behavioral science, Miss Vidushi Ma'am blends intuitive insight with structured guidance to help leaders navigate uncertainty and major life decisions. As the founder of the Rudra Universe Foundation, she promotes emotional well-being, spiritual awareness, and responsible leadership, empowering leaders to act from awakened consciousness rather than force. It is a great honor and privilege to felicitate Ms. Vidushi Om with the Honoring Women Award of D.Y. Patil School of Law.
Namaskar and good evening to all of you wonderful souls present here in this August gathering today. How many ever we are, I think we are sufficient enough to make a difference. Yeah, so I appreciate. And my sincerest gratitude to your ebullient and erudite director, Karunaji, and your esteemed institution for inviting us here today and for this great honor that you felicitated us with. You know, today is a very interesting day and you will all very tired now by now. Today is the 8th of March. I'll take you somewhere else. You've all had too much of academic and you know, you've discussed so much on criminology and victimology. Let's go somewhere else today. Nature. 8th of March. You know, the number 8. Total the date today. It comes to number 3. So 8-3 is actually 8-3 today. And do you know, we are all going to enter the new Vikram Samvat year this month, which is going to be 2083. It's again going to be 8-3. 3 is half a shape, you complete it and you make it 8. So this is a year of change. This is a year of revolution that ma'am was talking about. And this year, nature is also going to change. Now we all have to embrace change. I wanted to take you into patterns of nature, but I think I'll stick to your zone and come back here and pick one favorite word that you all use, you know, a jargon which is very common to your profession. And the word is argument. So I'll tell you a small story. There was an argument between a surgeon, an architect and a lawyer about who created the world first. Very interesting story. So the architect said, the surgeon started. Surgeon said, you know what? God created this world out of Adam's rib. That's how Eve came and that's how the world began. Now it was the surgeon's turn. The surgeon said, the architect's turn. The architect said, you know, God created this world after a lot of chaos and it took 7 days and, you know, it was, you know, an architect who created the world. Lawyer's turn now. Smart people. No answers. Simple question. So who do you think created the chaos? Brilliant minds, all of you. and you are going to be the custodians of justice in times to come. You are the future torchbearers of justice in this nation, right? I want to bring you to the Hindi word of it, dharma. And please don't equate the word dharma with religion. When I say dharma, I mean the path of righteousness, moral conduct, and some kind of consciousness. Higher consciousness is even beyond it, but a path of consciousness. So I'll take you towards Manusmriti today. मनुस्मृति में एक वाक्यांश है, धर्मो रक्षति रक्षितः। धर्म उसकी रक्षा करता है जो धर्म की रक्षा करता है। आप धर्म की रक्षा करेंगे, धर्म स्वयं आपके साथ चलेगा। प्रकृति भी कुछ ऐसे ही चलती है, आप प्रकृति के साथ चलिए, प्रकृति आपके साथ चलती है। सो आप लोगों का रोल इन सोसाइटी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। You are going to change the face of this society. So you have to be very careful about the decisions you make. And very often, I am approached by, distinguished personalities from your profession who come on a certain crossroad. And believe me, you all will come on that crossroad one fine day where you will have to choose between this and that. And it's not just your profession, it's also life, where you have to choose between this and that, right or wrong. We'll not go into right or wrong because you're all very skilled with it by now. The rightful action, or let's say the decisive path or the indecisive path. When you get stuck on that crossroad, whatever be your journey of success, your goals, wherever you have reached, I'll give you a very simple formula. And actually this is from the Katha Upanishad. This is a story of Nachiket and Yam, but I'll not take you through that story. I'll just leave you with 2 words today here. And maybe these 2 words are going to help you in your life. The 2 words are Shreyas and Preyas. Shreyas meaning Shresht, what is right and what is right for all in the long run. And Preyas is something which is priya to you, which is dear to you, which is pleasant, but maybe only in the short run. And there is a difference. Sometimes you have to take certain decisions, and we have some honorable members here from, the judicial system. They also go through this situation day in and day out. And sometimes, you know that this is what is right at the moment, but you have to go beyond that and take a decision which is going to be a decision that gives you inner fulfillment. You have to sometimes sacrifice what is dear to come to something which is going to fulfill you in the long run in your life. And when you look back at that age, you should not have any regrets in life. And this is going to help you not just in your profession but also your life. And beyond these 2 words, I would say आप सब लोग न्याय के रक्षक हैं, सैनिक हैं. I don't know why you are called social engineers or social doctors. I don't relate to those terms so much, but definitely you are all soldiers. So कोशिश करके जीवन में श्रेष्ठ की तरफ जाइए. When you go with Shreyas, you know what all comes with Shreyas? All qualities that you just heard: love, compassion, wisdom. And mind you, wisdom is not intellect. Wisdom is different from intelligence. Go with wisdom, go with compassion, go with love, go with care, and give to the society, and you'll go too far. As far as maybe you can't even imagine, because that's where nature will also start protecting you and start supporting you. I was just thinking about, while sitting here, some lines came, and these lines were, न्याय के रक्षक हो जाओ तुम सावधान, क्योंकि तुम ही हो वो सब जिन्होंने कल लिखना है विधि का विधान. So I would just say, उस विधि का विधान बहुत सोच समझ कर लिखिएगा, क्योंकि this is not just about you, this is not just about someone else over there. this is about an entire nation, and this is not just about an entire nation, this is about a unified field of consciousness that we call the universe. And today I pray the universe blesses one and all, and you all reach your wonderful goals, and you all reach the acme of success, but you go the Shreshth way, the Shreyas way. Thank you so much for inviting me here, and I'm really pleased. It's an honor, and may the universe bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words and for sharing your valuable wisdom with us.